Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dwayne Mooney. Um, Dwayne Mooney Motivational TV. Starting your New Year's goals now. That's what we're going to talk about today. Starting your New Year's goals now. The problem that people do is they wait till after the holidays. Thanksgiving, we're in Christmas, Kwanzaa time, Feliz Navidad time. And people are waiting, they're going to do everything now. Let me mess up my body. Let me eat everything I want to eat. I'm going to get drunk. Let me be depressed. And then I'm going to start all over on the first. A lot of people are going through depression because they may not have the money. They may not have the family. They may not have a relationship they want. So they're going through it. And I feel bad for them. However, that you don't have to go through it. One thing that happens during bad weather when you're not getting sunlight, it will bring along depression. Sunshine will perk you up, just that sun hitting you. Cold weather gets people into a funk. Lack of money gets people into a funk. So what's the best thing to do? First thing, just be happy that you are above ground. Be excited. I'm 60 years old. I'm nowhere near where I want to be, but I'm sure farther than a whole lot of 60-year-olds. So I'm excited about me. So with all that, and the other things that a lot of people are dying during this time of year. Depression, eating bad, usually it's mixed with, granddad died of a heart attack. Oh, that's because usually people are eating bad during this time. So people get sick and people check out. And then when people check out, people get nervous and they're like, oh, granddaddy, he died. Well, granddaddy was 80 years old. What the fuck did you think was going to happen? Grandma was 85. What you think was going to happen? That's what we have in common. We all have in common. We all are born and we all die. We shouldn't get so depressed about somebody dying. If they're elderly, be happy that they're checking out. It's cold to be old and sick. It's cold-blooded to be old and sick. You see me 90 years old and sick, I'm checking myself out. I'm going to go, at 90 years old, I'm going to go to a brothel in Las Vegas. I'm going to do what Lamar Odom did. Take about me 3 Viagras and going to check myself out if I'm 90 years old and sick. And get me the finest women in there, and I'm going out. And I'm going to let you know that when I go in, I ain't coming back out. I'm checking. That's my checkout. That's if I'm old and sick. If I'm old and well, it's a different story. And I will be old and well because I'm 60 years old and well. So I wouldn't have to go to a brothel. I'll take Viagra to have a bang, go out with a bang. So, starting your New Year's goals now. Don't wait till the first to start. Ride this Christmas and New Year's and happy and Kwanzaa and Feliz Navidad, whatever you get into. Ride that. I rolled Thanksgiving. I didn't eat all that crap. I rolled so I didn't get sick. People around me, sick. People got a cold. So I don't know why I'm sick. What was you doing eating? What was you eating during Thanksgiving? I didn't get sick. I'm like, huh? What? Who? Sick? No. Just like Christmas coming Tuesday. It'll be Christmas dinner. A lot of folks will be getting sick after Christmas. I'm not getting that. I do the same thing I'm doing. However, as folks are celebrating and getting ready, I'm getting my stuff together. I got a training, Forex training going on in January. Got a personal development training going. My first personal development training, serious 6-week course will be happening in February 15th. Got my Forex training happening in January. So I'm planning, developing, creating. Okay? Looking at how much I want to make by the end of 2019. I want to be at least $20,000 a month. So I'm taking action to make that happen. My credit score is high at the end of the year. Now I'm thinking about what am I going to do when I get that business funding that's coming. So I'm like looking at what I'm going to do toward put some in the Forex. I'm going to trade some of my passive programs, get some real estate. What I'm going, my own, creating a new business, adding, helping with my personal development business, putting it out there in the media, and also training myself on internet marketing. What are you doing? See, if you don't have to get, what is it? What's the line? If you're already ready, you don't have to get ready. If you're already ready, you don't have to get ready. If you're already ready, you don't have to get ready. If you're already in shape, you don't have to get in shape. If you're already healthy, you don't have to get healthy. I'm already healthy. I got my vision on what I want. My goals start now. I'm not waiting till the first. Everybody, I'm going to be, while people, it's like if you go to the gym, watch how crowded it is the first week of January. And people come in hungover, New Year's Eve, trying to get back into the gym. You got folks overweight and I'm going to finally get in shape. This shit lasts for a week. Watch. If you go to a fitness place, you ask them what's their biggest, most money week, the first week in January. That's when everybody got their New Year's resolution. Everybody want to get in shape. What if you start getting in shape now? Because this shit don't last. Just because it's January 1st, this shit, you're going to get back after that first 7 days of getting your ass whooped. You're going to go right back into what you was doing before that. And that's fucking up. So your job is to start working on yourself. Now, mind, body, and spirit. Working on your relationships. Working on your fitness. Working on your finances. Start getting that together right now. Thinking about how much money you want to make. Have a vision. Write it down. What do you want? How much money you want to make? What type of relationship you want to have? What type of shape do you want to be in? And start finding models, role models that are doing it. That's the best way to do it. Somebody's in shape, get with them. See what they do. Somebody, especially if it's your body type, what do they do? Somebody's making money. How are they making the kind of money that you want to make? I've been in getting Forex training for myself. Talking to people making money in passive income and internet marketing. That's who I talk to because that's what I want to do. That's what I am doing. So I'm always want to improve. So I talk to people who are making a lot of money at it. What are you doing? I watch people all the time. I have one mentor that's just like me. She's the female version. She trades, she does internet marketing, she does network marketing, and she has her own infopreneur business. She's just like me. So I just but she's doing well. She's a millionaire. So I get information from her. So what are you doing to become better? There's nothing wrong with getting with people who are doing what you're doing, but doing it better. You think I'm great at poly because it's just me? I know poly people who do it well, who've been doing it for years. They're my models. Yes, I have my angle, but they are my models. I got this out of all people. I got this white guy on the internet that's poly who does it just like me. He is almost like a white version of me. He got his own place, his own house. He has women that come over. They can come over anytime they want. They do business with him. That's the way I do. Oh, and he's a healthy eater, mostly plant-based eater. Well, he is actually all plant-based eater, but he's doing it just like I do it. I'm like, and he's an older gentleman, got a gray beard and everything. I'm like, this is me. But he's making more money than me. And he's got 3, 4 women coming to the house at a time. I'm like, how is he doing that? Oh, and he's also into self-development, personal development. So I'm like, I got to watch this dude. And learned a lot, changed my whole game, my whole strategy. So I'm always practicing constant and never-ending improvement. That's what I suggest you do. As you get your goals and you make them come true, what's the next goal? What's the next goal? What's the next goal? What's the next goal? It's funner. Is funner a word? It's more fun to do it when you're healthy and you're in good shape and you have energy. That's why I say through these holidays, start eating correctly or don't eat so much. Make sure you drink plenty of water. But don't eat all that bullshit that grandma trying to feed you. Because you're going to start looking like grandma. So don't do it. Because grandma looked like grandma because of the way she was eating. You want to look great at grandma or granddaddy age, like me? You don't eat what grandma and granddaddy eat. You don't think like grandma and granddaddy think. You think about multiple streams of income and how you have money coming in and you creating different money sources from coming into you. Some passive, mostly passive, and some active income. Passive income and active income. That's the game. Multiple streams of income. Passive income and active income. It's fun. Life becomes fun. So start getting, for myself, I'm looking at really making serious money, not in 2019. Now, this week has been great money week. Because I'm starting now and I want to ride that into 2019 and make more money in 2019. I'm moving money in my passive income and my Forex account. I'm creating, making money. And at the same time, again, getting my personal development business off the ground. Which the Forex trading is a part of that because it's something, a skill that you can learn. But my first personal development training, 6-week course every Wednesday for 6 weeks starts February 15th. You'll see it. It's going to be big time. And then I'm doing other projects with other people. Got a tantric workshop coming up with 2 lovely ladies in April coming in LA. I sent you the flyer. I put up the flyer earlier. So my thing is for you to start doing you. Also have another program that I'm looking at getting in. Not passive, but it can make me a lot of money. You have to do you. You wear many hats. Do them all. Have fun. But you have to have the energy to be able to do it all. Okay? So, that's how you start. Start working on it now. Have the mindset that you can do anything that you want to do and do it your way. It's possible. I'm an example of it. I'm a serious example of reinventing yourself and making it happen. So, start your New Year's goals right now. Right now. This is Dwayne Mooney. Go to thewealthportalinc.com. Look at what we have up there. Sign in for the newsletter. You see what's up there. Check it out. Become a member. I will talk to you soon. This is Dwayne Mooney. Peace and prosperity.